Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drip system is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in modern gardening, offering a precise and efficient way to deliver water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing waste and maximizing plant health. Imagine lush, vibrant gardens with less effort, as this innovative technology takes the guesswork out of watering, ensuring your plants receive the hydration they need, exactly when they need it, even when you're away. This system is designed to adapt to various plant types and garden sizes, making it an indispensable tool for both novice gardeners and seasoned horticulturalists seeking to optimize their green spaces and achieve superior results with remarkable ease and sustainability. Number 5. Raindrip R560DP Automatic Drip Watering System. Tired of watering your plants manually? This automatic drip irrigation kit provides a simple solution to keep up to 20 plants perfectly watered. Save time and effort while ensuring your garden thrives. Setting up your new watering system is a breeze. Just connect the timer and tubing to your water source, lay out the tubing, and attach the drippers. You'll have a customized system ready in just 3 easy steps. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this system is designed for ease. Enjoy convenient, worry-free watering with its customizable and user-friendly automatic timer. Assembly is straightforward thanks to its easy-to-use threaded ends and barbed fittings. These secure connections ensure a reliable drip watering experience, compatible with most existing systems. This comprehensive kit includes a water timer, 75 feet of tubing, 20 drippers, and all necessary fittings. You'll have everything required to build a complete and efficient drip irrigation system right out of the box. What we like. This kit is perfect for beginners and those with container gardens. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution to water up to 20 potted plants or hanging baskets, this is it. It includes a timer, making it a truly automatic system that saves you time and effort. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, allowing for customizable watering schedules. The drip emitters deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water waste and preventing fungal diseases. The kit includes a variety of fittings and tubing, making it adaptable to different garden layouts. Number 4. Flantor Drip Irrigation System. Introducing the Flantor Drip Irrigation System, designed for effortless watering of your garden. It provides even, all-around watering, eliminating the need for tedious daily hand watering. Ensure your plants are watered daily, even when you're away. This system allows for automatic watering, perfect for business trips or vacations. The two-way faucet connector allows for multiple watering lines, ensuring each nozzle delivers the right amount of water. It's a great solution for keeping your plants healthy without relying on neighbors. With 2 types of adjustable nozzles, you can customize the water delivery for each plant's specific needs. This ensures optimal hydration for all your greenery. Installation is a breeze, requiring no digging or special plumbing skills. The included manual with pictures makes setup straightforward for any gardening enthusiast. This watering system is incredibly versatile, suitable for gardens, lawns, greenhouses, patios, flower beds, and even hanging baskets and vegetables. What we like. This system offers great flexibility for gardens with diverse plant needs. If you have a mix of plants that require different amounts of water, you'll appreciate the individually adjustable nozzles. It's ideal for those who want to customize their watering for flower beds, patios, or greenhouses. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, allowing for customizable watering schedules. The drip emitters deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water waste and preventing fungal diseases. The kit includes a variety of fittings and tubing, making it adaptable to different garden layouts and plant types. Number 3. Raindrip LNDDRIPKIT Drip Irrigation Kit. Introducing the Raindrip LNDDRIPKIT, your all-in-one solution for effortless garden and landscape watering. This comprehensive kit is designed to eliminate hand watering, saving you valuable time and money. Achieve ultimate watering efficiency for all your plants, shrubs, and trees. You can save up to 80% on water usage, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just connect it to your faucet, insert the fittings into the tubing, and attach your chosen watering devices. It's that easy to set up. This kit includes 3 different types of watering devices, drippers, microbubblers, and microsprays. This versatility ensures you have the right watering method for every plant in your garden. Thanks to its pressure-compensating technology, it ensures all your plants receive the same amount of water, regardless of their location. The clog-resistant devices provide reliable watering with zero maintenance required. Tailor the system to perfectly fit your specific landscape or garden design. Create the ideal watering solution that meets your unique needs and enhances your outdoor space. What we like. For those with established landscapes, this kit provides the most comprehensive watering options. If you need to water a variety of plants, shrubs, and trees with precision, its inclusion of drippers, microbubblers, and microsprays is a major advantage. The pressure-compensating technology ensures every plant gets the right amount of water. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, allowing for customizable watering schedules. The drip emitters deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water waste and preventing fungal diseases. The kit includes a variety of fittings and tubing, making it adaptable to different garden layouts. Number 2. HEKIWAY 49-foot Solar Drip Irrigation System. Introducing the HEKIWAY Solar Drip Irrigation System, your ultimate solution for effortless plant care. This versatile system works perfectly both indoors and outdoors, ensuring your plants thrive year-round. Harness the power of the sun with our solar-powered design. During warmer months, it automatically waters your plants, making it an energy-efficient choice. For winter, a convenient Type-C port ensures continuous care for your indoor greenery. Take full control with 25 unique timer modes. You can easily set precise watering durations and intervals, ensuring each plant receives the perfect amount of hydration without any waste. This system is designed to be more water-efficient than traditional methods. Adjust watering based on plant size, environment, and even weather conditions for optimal growth and health. With 50 feet of tubing and multiple accessories, you can create a custom layout for up to 15 pots. Its high flow rate ensures efficient watering for flowers, vegetables, and more. Stay informed with smart alerts for potential issues like blockages or low water levels. Regular maintenance ensures reliable performance, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This is the smart choice for eco-conscious gardeners or those who want ultimate control. If you value energy efficiency and highly customizable watering schedules, its solar power and 25 timer modes are unbeatable. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, adapting to all seasons. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, allowing for customizable watering schedules. The drip emitters deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water waste and preventing fungal diseases. The kit includes a variety of fittings and tubing, making it adaptable to different garden layouts. Number 1. Blumat Tropf Medium Box Drip Irrigation System. Introducing the Blumat Tropf Medium Box, your solution for automatic plant watering. It provides steady, precise hydration for up to 12 plants without electricity, pumps, or timers. Never worry about constantly monitoring your plants again. This system delivers water directly to the soil, ensuring they get just the right amount every time. Crafted from high-quality materials, this watering system is built for long-term use. It's designed to keep your plants consistently well hydrated. Get your garden watering system ready in minutes. It requires no digging or plumbing and operates without electricity, providing water even during outages. Keep your plants hydrated even when you're away or busy. It works with any water container, offering a flexible and reliable watering solution. What we like. If you prioritize simplicity and reliability, especially during vacations or busy periods, this system is for you. It requires no electricity or complex setup, making it incredibly easy to use. If you have up to 12 plants and want effortless, consistent hydration directly to the soil, this is an excellent option. What people say. The timer is easy to set up and program, and it has multiple watering options. The drip emitters are adjustable, allowing for precise watering of different plants. The system is expandable, so you can add more drip lines and emitters as needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.